welcome to another episode of Chef Cool Cooking. So today we are going to be making eggless peanut pancakes, which is also a Malaysian favorite dessert. So this is also our first time making an appearance on this YouTube channel. So if you do like it, please leave a comment below, and also please like this video, share this video around, and please subscribe and also hit the bell icon for notifications. Okay, so let's begin. So our peanut pancakes are finally ready. So this is it. Okay, so to finish it off, we have these syrups that we can use to eat it with. So we have the strawberry, caramel, chocolate, and also the maple syrup. So usually people eat this with the original maple syrup, and this is also my personal favorite. So I'm just gonna drizzle it on top. Okay, so my mouth is watering so badly and I'm finally going to taste it. So in Malaysia, we just usually use our hands and eat it. So, this is so tasty. You guys have to try it. Please try this recipe and let me know below if you guys like it or not. but it's definitely worth trying. And I'm gonna enjoy my meal now. So bye guys.